Hello there, David Thompson here from theworldoftech.net, and I'm bringing this video to you on the 5th of November, the evening when people go wild playing with gunpowder and fire. So tonight I didn't fancy going out. I decided to stay at home and have some fun with a candle in the kitchen. This candle looks pretty boring, but hopefully we'll be making it look a bit more interesting. So to do this, you will need a candle or a tea light, as shown here. Depends on what size you want. You will also need some steel wool, also known as wire wool. And you will also need some safe mechanism of lighting and making fire. You will also need a pair of old scissors, ones you're not going to use again, as they will get just a touch bent. First of all, let's light the candle. We got there in the end. So you need to take the wire wool, you want to break just a little bit off, the less the better in this case, and then you want to part it together, get some space in between each strand of the steel wool. This is because it will have a better effect if it's more spread out and has a larger surface area. You then want to pick it up with your scissors, being careful, and put it over the tea light, and this is the result you get. You may notice afterwards it has gone quite black, and this is because it is oxidized. If you now try and put this over the tea light again, it will not work and you will not get the same effect, as it's not a reversible or redoable reaction. So the effects of this are pretty cool. They does look quite good, little sparks flying off. Just be very careful not to burn yourself. On that note, be very careful, do this with adult supervision only, and if you do hurt yourself, I am not responsible. You can use a 9-volt battery to do this. If you don't want to use a candle, you can simply do this just by touching the steel wool to the connectors on the battery. I'm now going to turn the lights off so you can see the full effect of what's going on. So please do have a safe and wonderful bonfire night. Also, please be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also head over to theworldoftech.net. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.